Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Riders Republic with your friends. First, make sure you've launched the game and are connected to the internet. Once you're in the game's main hub, navigate to the social menu. This is where you'll find all the options related to interacting with other players. From there, you can easily access your friends list to see who is currently online and available to join your session. This initial step is crucial for setting up your multiplayer experience. After finding your friends in the social menu, select the friend you wish to play with. You'll then see an option to Invite to Group. Click this to send them an invitation. Once they accept, they will automatically join your group, allowing you to participate in activities together. You can invite up to 5 friends to form a group, making it easy to gather your whole crew for some extreme sports action. With your group formed, the leader can now select any activity from the world map. This could be a race, a trick battle, or any other event available in Riders Republic. Once the leader chooses an activity, all members of the group will receive an invitation to join. Simply confirm your participation, and you'll all be transported to the event to compete or explore together. It's a seamless way to jump into the action as a unified team. To enhance your group play, remember to communicate with your friends using the in-game chat or voice options. This helps coordinate strategies and makes the experience more fun. Also, don't forget to explore the massive open world between events. There are countless hidden gems and challenges to discover as a team. For more great deals and to check out the Owala water bottle, make sure to look at the link in the description below. Enjoy your time shredding the slopes and trails with your friends.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.